Good day, I'm Shemi Cervera and today I'm gonna show you my teaching demonstration. And my topic is about multiplication and division of rational algebraic expression. A wonderful morning, class! Let's start our day with a prayer. I request Jonas to lead the prayer. Amen. Good morning once again. How's your day so far? That's good to hear. So can I expect a full blast of energy and active participation from you, class? Very good. But before that, I will check your attendance first. Excellent. There's no absent for today. I would like to request everyone to arrange your chairs and make sure that there is no trashes around you. Very good. You may take your seat. Before we proceed to our new topic, let's have a short review. What was our topic yesterday? Okay, Julius. Very good. So our previous topic yesterday is about simplifying rational algebraic expression by factoring. So what is rational algebraic expression? Anyone? Yes, Hart. Very good. Rational expressions is simply a quotient of two polynomials. It is a fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. Thank you, Hart. Next, how to simplify rational algebraic expression? What are the steps? Yes, Eric. Very good. So step 1, factor the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Step 2, reduce the fraction. And step 3, rewrite the any remaining expressions in the numerator and denominator. Thank you, Eric. I'm so happy that you still remember our previous topic. Before that, let's have an activity first. Our activity is entitled Arrange Me. Inside those envelopes that I give to you, there are many letters that you need to rearrange. Then, I will divide the class into 3 groups. And whoever the group finishes first will declare as winner. And I will give you 10 minutes to answer. And time starts now! Time's up! Okay? This is the answer. And the group who finished first is Group 1! Congratulations, Group 1! Very good! All of you got the right answer. So be with me this morning, class, as I discuss to you about multiplication and division of rational algebraic expression. Please read the objectives. Thank you, class. So our first topic we will tackle about is multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. In multiplication of rational expressions, if P over Q and R over S are rational expressions with Q is not equal to 0 and S is not equal to 0, then P over Q times R over S is equals to P times R over Q times S. So what are the steps in multiplying rational algebraic expressions? So step 1, factor the numerator and denominator. Step 2, divide or cancel out common factors. Step 3, multiply the remaining terms. And step 4, simplify if possible.
When you multiply rational numbers, you look for common factors to simplify the product or to simplify the multiplication. Example, 2 over 3 times 9 over 10 equals to 2 times 9 over 3 times 10. So multiply 2 times 9 equals 18 and 3 times 10 equals 30. So the common factor is 6 and the answer is 3 over 5. Also, you can use cancellation. Next, multiply the given 2 over g times 5 over 3gh. 2 times 5 equals to 10. G times 3gh is equals to 3g squared h. Another example, multiply 4b over 3a cubed times 15ab squared over 2b. 4b over 3a cubed times 15ab squared over 2b. Divide them by common factors. So 4 divided 2 is equals to 2. 15 divided 3 is equals to 5. Then a cubed minus a is equals to a squared. And the remaining is 2 over a squared times 5b squared over 1. So multiply them. 2 times 5b squared is equals to 10b squared. A squared times 1 is equals to a squared. Last example, 2x cubed minus 5x plus 12 divided by 6x times 3x plus 12 divided by x squared plus 16. Factor them, and the factor of 2x cubed minus 5x plus 12 is the quantity of 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 4. Then the factor of 3x plus 12 is 3 times the quantity of x plus 4. Then the factor of x squared plus 16 is the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 4. Next is divide by common factors. So the common factor of 6 and 3 is 2. Then cancel out the same value x plus 4. And the remaining 1 times quantity of 2x plus 3 over 2x, and the answer is 2x plus 3 over 2x. Remember, if q and s which the denominator is not equal to 0, then it is undefined.
Now class, we are done in multiplication of rational algebra expression. Now let's proceed to division of rational algebra expressions.
Multiplication and division are opposite operations. The rules for dividing involve reciprocals and multiplicative inverses. Reciprocals are two numbers whose product is 1.
So, the division of rational algebra expressions, if p over q and r over s are rational expressions, and q is not equal to 0, r is not equal to 0, and s is not equal to 0, then p over q divided by r over s is equal to p over q times s over r is equals to p times s over q times r. The rule of dividing rational expressions is similar to the rule of dividing fractions. So here's the example.
Here's the solution. 3 over a divided by 6b over 5a equals to 3 over a times the reciprocal of 6b over 5a is 5a over 6b. Divide by common factors. 6 divided 3 equals 2. Then cancel a, and the remaining is 1 over 1 times 5 over 2b. Multiply them. 1 times 5 equals 5, then 1 times 2b equals 2b. Another example. X squared plus x minus 2 over 3x squared plus 9x plus 6 divided by x, the quantity of x minus 1. X squared plus x minus 2 over 3x squared plus 9x plus 6 divided by the quantity of x minus 1 with a denominator of 1. X squared plus x minus 2 over 3x squared plus 9x plus 6. Multiply the reciprocal of quantity of x minus 1 over 1 is 1 over quantity of x minus 1. This next is factor them. Then the factor of x squared plus x minus 2 is quantity of x minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 2 over the factor of 3x squared plus 9x plus 6 is 3 times the quantity of x plus 2 times quantity of x plus 1. Next, divide by common factors. So, cancel out x minus 1 and x plus 2. And the remaining is 1 and over 3 times x plus 1. Then the answer is 1 over 3 times the quantity of x plus 1. Rational expressions involving both multiplication and division should be simplified by performing operations from left to right, unless parentheses indicate a different order. Example number 3. Simplify 2m squared minus 5m minus 3 over 9 minus m squared divided by 4m plus 2 over 2m squared plus 2m minus 12 times 2 over m minus 2. 2m squared minus 5m minus 3 over 9 minus m squared divided by 4m plus 2 over 2m squared plus 2m minus 12 times 2 over m minus 2. 2m squared minus 5m minus 3 over 9 minus m squared times the reciprocal of 4m plus 2 over 2m squared plus 2m minus 12 is 2m squared plus 2m minus 12 over 4m plus 2 times 2 over m minus 2. Factor them. The factor of 2m squared minus 5m minus 3 is the quantity of 2m plus 1 times the quantity of m minus 3. Then the factor of 2m squared plus 2m minus 12 is 2 times the quantity of m plus 3 times the quantity of n minus 2. Then the factor of 9 minus m squared is negative 1 times the quantity of m minus 3 times the quantity of m plus 3. Then the factor of 4m plus 2 is 2 times the quantity of 2m plus 1 times 2 over quantity of m minus 2. Then divide them by common factors. So cancel 2m plus 1, m minus 3, m plus 3, m minus 2, 2. And the remaining is 2 over negative 1. So 2 divide negative 1 is equals to negative 2.
Now we are done in discussing multiplication and division of rational algebra expressions. From this time class, I want you to solve here in the board. Number 1, Eric. Number 2, Jonas. Very good, Jonas and Eric. Is there any questions about our topic? If none, get one whole sheet of paper, then answer these following problems. Thank you. And for your assignment, research about addition and subtraction of algebra expression and have an advanced study of this topic. That's all for today, class, and thank you and God bless.